Welcome to Ojas Valley, where you find motivation, knowledge, and power. Love is a feeling of eternity, a feeling of perennial power to bring happiness. It is a magic bond that showers you with inner joy, love, serenity, and more love. It is a tap that bestows the holiness of gratitude for life. Love opens all the doors of happiness, empowers you to see only beauty in soul of a person, equips you to have an evergreen positive outlook for life. The love you are looking outside the world is inside you in abundance. The more you start feeling the love with yourself, the more radiant and loved you feel. The more beauty you start seeking everywhere, in every small and large thing. Self love is the most powerful energy we all have in life. It is the first step of living life with happiness, laughter, and liveliness. Here we have 30 most motivating quotes for your blissful soul. These quotes will once again make you realize the eternity and tranquility in you. It ignites the beauty and positivity in you. If you have spent all your life listening to others, it takes courage to pay attention to your own voice. You will be wondered to know what you can track when you start believing in yourself. Maybe one day you will tell about these storms which will inspire others to keep rowing until success. Pay attention to who you are when you are at your best. Ask yourself if what you are doing today helps you bring the joy of the soul you wish. You will outrank people when you start doing what is best for you. The cost of not listening to your inner voice is spending the rest of your life in the clutches of if I wish I had. You're not required to set yourself at fire to keep other people warm. One of the bravest and happiest moments in life is to find courage to let go of all what you cannot change in life. You can rise from anything. You can recreate yourself from scratch. Nothing is permanent. Not this moment, not this time. You are not stuck. You have choices. You can always think of new thoughts to crumble all these odds. All that matters today is whether you decide to hold on and recreate yourself. Stop holding on people only because you have a history together. There is always something to be grateful for. Look around, feel the gratitude. It is not selfish for wanting to be treated well. God has written many chapters in life. Don't get stuck and lost in the one you are in now. Don't let silly things wipe your happiness. Close your eyes, feel yourself, and imagine the best version of you possible. That's who you really are. Shed every mask of you that does not resemble the best of you. It's not who you are that is cursing your capabilities and holding you back. It's who you think you are not. If you are failed with people many times and still you know how to smile, trust me, you are way too sturdy than you think. In the end, we won't remember the beautiful body and face, but the radiant heart and soul. Maturity is when you walk away from people and situations that ruin your peace of mind, integrity, self-respect, and moral values. Work from now to love and cherish the person in the mirror who has been through so much but it is still standing before you. Love yourself. It is the gate to bestow more love of all kind. Keeping your inner self at priority is not selfish, it's a necessity. Speak to yourself with more love, compassion, kind words as you do to others. Repeat after me. I'm loved. I deserve to be loved. I'm born to give a lot of love. When I loved myself enough and began living everything that wasn't healthy, this means people, job, my own beliefs and habits, anything that kept me worthless. Now I could feel the real me. To be beautiful is to be yourself. You don't have to be accepted and approved by others. You need to accept yourself. And someday I forget to be gentle in myself, how to see myself with compassion, speak with kind words, and then I realized I lost self-love. Self-love must be your priority because when you discover yourself helpless and crying in the bathroom at night, who will be there to calm you down? You have to muster the courage to pick yourself up and move on. At the end of the day, you have all you got. Whoever brings you the most peace of mind deserves the most of your time. Otis Valley is trying every stone unturned to bring love and happiness in the soul of the masses. It is the love that brings joy and more power to you. Let us know in the comment below. How will you complete your quest for yourself? What were the differences you felt before and after? If you like the video, do acknowledge by giving a thumbs up. Share the vibes of positivity and love all around. Follow us on our Facebook, Instagram. You can even read our blogs on peace, self-love, relationship, success. The links are given in the description. Spread love, spread peace.